Keeping your home clean has never been easier thanks to the latest generation of robot vacuums. In 2026, these smart cleaning machines are more powerful than ever, featuring incredible suction power, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, self-emptying docks, self-washing mops, and intelligent home mapping that can practically clean your home with little to no effort from you. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. We'll cover each model's features, cleaning performance, pros, cons, and who it's best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Dreame L60 Ultra PE Robot Vacuum and Mop. The L60 Ultra PE delivers impressive cleaning performance thanks to its powerful suction, easily lifting dust, pet hair, and larger debris from multiple floor types. The edge cleaning technology helps reduce dirt buildup along walls and furniture, while the anti-tangle brush minimizes hair wrap. Great news for pet owners. Its self-cleaning docking station significantly reduces maintenance by washing the mop and preparing the robot for the next cleaning cycle. Navigation is smooth and efficient, allowing it to clean rooms methodically while avoiding obstacles. Pros: powerful 30,000 Pascal suction, excellent edge and corner cleaning, self-cleaning mop station, anti-tangle brush design, smart obstacle avoidance. If you want premium cleaning performance with minimal maintenance, the Dreame L60 Ultra PE is a fantastic all-around choice. Number 2. Dreame L60 Ultra. This robot excels in homes with complex layouts. Its AI-powered navigation identifies furniture, cables, shoes, toys, and other household obstacles with remarkable accuracy, reducing interruptions during cleaning. The hot water mop washing system helps maintain cleaner mop pads throughout each session, while the extendable cleaning arms improve performance around walls and corners. The increased suction power makes it especially effective on carpets and homes with pets. Pros: massive 35,000 Pascal suction, AI-enhanced obstacle recognition, hot water mop cleaning, extendable side brush, excellent edge cleaning, outstanding carpet performance. For homeowners looking for cutting-edge automation and exceptional cleaning intelligence, the Dreame L60 Ultra is one of the smartest robot vacuums available today. Number 3. Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. The ultra-slim design is one of its biggest strengths. It easily glides beneath beds, sofas, cabinets, and other low-clearance furniture while maintaining excellent cleaning performance. The fully automated docking station handles dust disposal, water refilling, and mop cleaning with minimal user involvement. Combined with powerful suction and intelligent navigation, this robot requires very little day-to-day maintenance. Its balanced performance makes it ideal for larger homes. Pros: ultra-slim profile, 35,000 Pascal suction, self-emptying and self-refilling, excellent navigation, minimal maintenance, great under-furniture cleaning. If convenience is your top priority, the X60 Max Ultra Complete offers one of the most automated cleaning experiences available today. Number 4. Roborock Saros Z70. What truly sets the Saros Z70 apart is its intelligent cleaning system. The Omni grip arm helps manage small obstacles during cleaning, while the adaptive chassis improves movement across thresholds and uneven flooring. Its AI navigation is fast and highly accurate, allowing efficient room mapping and obstacle avoidance. Although its suction rating is lower than some competitors, real-world cleaning performance remains excellent thanks to efficient brush design and optimized airflow. Roborock software also remains among the most polished and user-friendly available. Pros: innovative OmniGrip technology, intelligent AI navigation, excellent app experience, automatic mop washing and drying, ultra-slim design, adaptive chassis for uneven floors. For users who appreciate smart innovation and excellent software, the Saros Z70 delivers one of the most advanced robot vacuum experiences available today. Number 5. Eufy Omni S2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Omni S2 performs exceptionally well on both hardwood floors and carpets. Its real-time mop cleaning system helps reduce streaking, while the advanced filtration captures fine dust and allergens before they can circulate throughout the home. The extended self-emptying capability means weeks of hands-free cleaning, making it especially convenient for busy households. Alexa integration also makes voice-controlled cleaning simple and convenient. The Omni S2 is an outstanding choice for families seeking low-maintenance cleaning solution with excellent vacuuming and mopping performance. After comparing all 5 robot vacuums, here are our top recommendations. Best overall, Dreame L60 Ultra. Outstanding suction, AI-powered navigation, intelligent obstacle detection, and advanced self-cleaning features make it the most complete robot vacuum of 2026. Best value for money? Dreame L60 Ultra PE delivers flagship-level cleaning performance, powerful suction, and premium automation at a more accessible price. Best for pet owners? Eufy Omni S2. Strong suction, anti-allergen filtration, hydrojet mop cleaning, and long self-emptying intervals make it perfect for homes with pets. Best for large homes? Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. Its ultra-slim design, fully automated dock, and excellent navigation make it ideal for cleaning large spaces with minimal effort. Most innovative robot vacuum, Roborock Saros Z70. Features like the OmniGrip robotic arm, adaptive chassis, and AI-powered cleaning technology make it one of the smartest robot vacuums available today. No matter your cleaning needs or budget, each robot vacuum on this list offers premium automation that can save you time while keeping your home cleaner every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.